Hi, I'm Dr. Saurabh. I'm the Managing Director at Auriga Research. At Auriga, we are a full stack R&D partner for brands, providing complete solution from mind to market. So it's been a very good show. We've had a significant number of footfall and good quality queries, and overall the experience has been very good, be it the venue or the exhibition setup, and also the quality of visitors is very nice. The good thing is that we've got a lot of serious visitors. It's not just people just walking in with general inquiries. They're genuine people who are looking for our products and services. So brands and sourcing managers for brands are here. So it has been a good quality of leads which we've got. So I think it would be nice to have some more pre-conference promotion for the brands, and together with CMPL, if we can reach out to more people and have even better footfall, that would be good, and possibility of fixing meetings also. So we are talking about a mind to market solution where we are saying that brand can come to us with a concept, and then we can do the product development, formula development, prototyping, testing of the samples, and even claims and clinical studies, and also then finally do contract manufacturing. So the entire life cycle from idea to launch, we are offering a turnkey solution as a full stack R&D partner for us. Events like CMPL, they give us visibility in front of the right people and top of mind presence, and also not just new inquiries, it gives us an opportunity to meet all our existing customer base also and address their inquiries or any concerns which are there. So it is the best place to meet new as well as existing customers in one place. I think it would be nice if I could get a speaker slot and talk in the conference also. That would be nice. But overall, it's been a good setup. Networking.